All right, what up, guys? So I hope I'm not too loud, so I lowered the volume a little bit here. But anyways, happy motivational Monday for you guys. Hope trading is going good. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the Naked Forex Chapter One, which is the fundamentals of forex trading. Now, obviously, I'm gonna break it down in parts because it's just a long chapter. And so for Chapter One, it talks a lot about how the market works and prices, currencies. So I'm gonna run through this. Just a quick overview here. I'll read through the quick lessons first. Right here. Let's talk about this right here. So I want to talk about this tab here on page 3, all the way to the beginning of page 4. Forex is simply an abbreviation for foreign exchange. All foreign exchange transactions involve two currencies. Right. If an individual trader, a bank, a government, a corporation, or a tourist in a Hawaiian print shirt on tropical island decides to exchange one currency for another, a forex trade takes place. In every instance, one currency is being bought and simultaneously another currency is being sold. Currencies must be compared to something else in order to establish value. This is why forex trading involves two currencies. Right? Right. I don't want to hop into like the whole page here. So I am gonna go through right here. What I'm doing is I'm skimming chapters and sections of the chapters, and then also right the phrases and certain sentences and certain phrases, no certain paragraphs of the chapter that I like to read when that's more important for me. But I'm just gonna it's always recommended, like I said, if this is your first time reading the book, I actually recommend reading the whole thing. So on this section right here, I'm gonna read this paragraph. Forex traders buy and sell countries. Is it true Forex traders are basically buying shares in a country, just as a stock trader buys shares in a company? For example, if Forex trader Emma decides to sell the euro to the dollar, she is essentially selling the European Union and buying the United States. To be even more specific, we might suggest Emma is buying the economy of the United States and selling the economy of the European Union. Does this mean that Emma must keep tabs on all the economic data for all the countries that she is trading? Short answer is no. But we will talk more about news and trading based on economic news data a bit further on this book. So this book actually does talk a little bit more in depth. But like I said, if you really want to know all the fundamentals, where I got all my fundamentals is from Currency Trading for Dummies third edition. I will run through that book, like I said, the ebook with you guys, and I'll touch base how that book portrays, back to Naked Forex. But that book on its own has helped me and develop in my own fundamentals on how to trade news, right? High impact news, and how does the fundamental news impact the markets, right? Whether it be the US dollar, euro, pound, New Zealand, Australia, the yen, gold, Wall Street. So a lot of things, right? So major currencies, as you know, right? Euro, dollar, yen, pound, franc, dollar. Oh, okay, yes, dollar. Yeah. Nickname. I don't know why they. I'm really curious why they call it there was a different nickname for euro, but fiber. I know cable is the pound. Greenback, Aussie, Swissy. What about CAD? Where's CAD at? They don't have CAD here. Interesting. So, players in the market, right? I'll read this tab here, this paragraph. The Forex market is an enormous growing market. Forex trading doubled from 2004 to 2010. I'm pretty sure it probably tripled. It's 2021 now. And today, the amount of money traded in Forex each day is staggering. The New York Stock Exchange, the world's largest stock market, turns over $75 billion each day. Isn't that crazy? Forex traders trade 5 times that amount each day. So take 5 times, right? And they're talking about, $6 to $7 trillion now in just currencies alone. That's why it's now here they talk about the real Forex market, which is $4 trillion in exchange each day. there are two markets in Forex: the interbank market, right, where banks, hedge funds, governments, and corporations exchange currencies, and there is a retail market, which is us, right? We're traders. We're retail traders. Most Forex traders trade in the retail Forex market, an entirely different market to the real interbank market. And I will read this part right here. In the retail Forex market, your competition is other Forex traders trading the retail Forex market, and believe it or not, your broker. When you make money trading Forex, these other traders in the retail market lose, and so does your broker. Most retail Forex traders do not make money. In fact, your Forex broker will assume that you are going to lose money in the long run. This is a perfectly reasonable assumption since the large majority of Forex traders lose money, right? Which is true because in the beginning, if you're a beginner, I lost a lot of money. And then let's talk about this, right? I don't know I'm going in from one paragraph to the next one. Would you like to know about the secret that Forex brokers don't want you to know? Here it is. Forex brokers divide all traders into two groups. There are the winners, right? These are the Forex traders who make money. And then there are losers. These are the Forex traders who lose money. Guess which group with all new Forex traders get put into? Retail Forex brokers believe that all new customers are unlikely to make money. So all new accounts are placed into the loser group. After several months of consistently profitable Forex trading, a trader may be placed into the winner group. But here is my speculation on this, right? If you know how to trade, obviously you can beat the markets at any time, at any session, at any day, right? Because you're choosing specific time frames, right? Specific times of the day and specific zones, right? Or specific how do I say it? Specific trading areas where you're gonna make money and where there are certain days that you're not gonna make money, right? Or there are certain times of the day that you're not gonna make money, right? Or there are certain sessions that you don't make money. So then this is where you should break down. You should always break down, what's the best day so far of making money, right? So let's just say for me, Mondays and Tuesdays. Me, I know that my worst days are either Thursdays or Fridays, usually Fridays. So I know that from Monday, Tuesday are my best days of trading. Then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go as right. I'm gonna go more high risk. Yeah, right. I'm gonna do more trading on those 2 days alone to capture the most amount of profit. Now, obviously, Mondays and Tuesdays would not work for you if you're maybe you're working that day, right? You're working full time that day. You gotta dig down. If you work full time, obviously, then you gotta dig down how many hours you can set aside to trade live on your account, not demo live, and then figure out, okay, if I can only make $50 a day, then I'm just gonna shoot for $50 a day. $50 times 5 days, that's $250, right? $250 in a week, 5 days of trading. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Obviously, I can keep talking about this book, but that's why I said I'm gonna break it down. And I think, yeah, we're only back to like page 6 here. So so basically I only went down 3 pages, and I probably over 10 minutes of talking here. So I don't want to make this a long, like I said, I'm not making a full tutorial on this book. Like I said, the first 4 chapters is what I read, and I will keep going and explain what from everything that I've read and all the main points of views, of this book that I read too. And so, and I will come back to mindset as well. And I'm not gonna translate this book in Hmong because this is way over my head, you know. And so my most important, like I said, my book is what I would translate in Hmong, but not this book. This book is on a whole different level. And this is something that you would have, like I said, you go to Hmong, I recommend reading this in English and understand it for yourself. I will, like I said, I will try and put it in my own perspective in Hmong, but not like a full on tutorial on Hmong on this. It's just way too much. Same with the Catholic Bible. But anyways, happy Monday, happy motivational Monday, happy inspiration for you guys. I wish you guys best of luck for this week of trading. Obviously, it's consolidating up in here and there for today, and not seeing a whole lot. But like I said, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, probably see a bit more volatility. Powell's speech is Wednesday. We'll see if he does anything. If not, then that's it. Other than that, peace out.